What's up? This is Scotty here with Southern Off-Road. Got a 2024. This is a Lexus GX550 we just finished up. Did the Westcott designs front and rear suspension lift. Factory wheels, factory 18-inch wheels. A set of Toyo Open Country. These are the RT Trails in a 285/75/18. That ends up being right at a 35-inch tall tire. Factory wheels, no wheel spacers. Gives it an awesome stance. And take a step back and kind of see that it's level front to rear. The Prinsu rack was already on the vehicle when it showed up. We did wire in that single row rigid up front to a source system and a control pad or control panel with switches, and then a set of these Baja Design LED lights in the back. This one's going back to our friends over at RMR for a client of theirs. This thing turned out fantastic. Love the stance. Love the tires on the factory wheels. If you got a new Toyota Land Cruiser or the new GX, let us know. Westcott Designs, we are a Westcott Designs dealer and installer. Westcott Designs has several products for these things in the suspension lift. Not a lot of people changing the wheels out. Factory wheels and taller tire seems to be the combo. If you're interested in doing something like this, let us know.